What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be changing the fuel pump. This application goes for mostly all Chevrolet vehicles. This was a 2003 Chevy Silverado. The fuel pump went out. I'll be showing you guys how to do it real quick. You guys can do it yourself because we have something else we got to do on the. We decided to take the bed out because we have to do something else. Fix the brake line. We're going to be changing the fuel pump. The fuel pump we're going with is the Napa. I highly recommend the Napa brand. It's one of the best fuel pumps out there for Chevrolet. So check it out. First, you gotta disconnect your wire harness. This one has two. So you just take this off from here. Same with this one. Move your wire harness to the side. And this one has clips. I already changed the clips because I took these hoses off. But I should do a video on it. But it has little clips on there. You just gotta squeeze the steel clips and pop these lines out. There's three of them. I'll show you guys right now the other one. There's three of them. But I already had taken out the lines to put the clips on the other fuel pump. And then right here, there's a guide. You gotta twist this. I'll show you guys right now. This little guide right here. This has to come out of that guide so this could pop up. Check it out. You need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. We're gonna tilt this so we can drain all the gas. Come here. Doing the video. Just gonna do it. That's the old one. Get the less gas. Where are you gonna go buy?
Oh, nothing about our charger. The one that uses that one. What you using? No, that one's like the fast charger. And it keeps my phone can die fast. I tried.
Highly recommended is Napa fuel pump. I'd already put the clips on the other pump. I'd already put this clip right here. So you gotta take out these little clips, these two little clips, and put them on this new pump for your hoses going there. Just be careful with the hoses because they're hella brittle. And two plug. Check it out. Try YouTube or something. Here's a little locking mechanism. Well, here we just gotta guide it. Let's go show my hand. Gotta guide it. So like I said earlier, now we have to go to tighten it. This little clip has to be in there. And make sure all these all these four are in here. And the hoses, they're just gonna clip on, line them up, line up this clip so they'll be straight with this end ring right here. And they're gonna see, you're gonna hear them click. Once they click, that means they're good. Be careful because these hoses are very brittle. Once you got that in there, once you got this lined up, then you get your flathead screwdriver. And we want this clip right here, see this little plastic trim right here? That got to be in there. Yeah, it went in. So it went in there? That means we're good. That means it's on there good. Connect your harness back on. This harness has clips. You see, start it. There you have it. Let's say you change a fuel pump from 2000. I think it goes from 99, 2006 maybe. They're all the same application from Chevrolet. Basically, they're all the same. And we hardly recommend the Napa brand. This one's lifetime warranty, and they're pretty good. And I'll show you guys. What usually happens on these, when you get no suction, this little hose right here, this little hose you guys see right here in the middle, usually gets pinholes. Let's try to find it. It usually gets pinholes right here, and it creates suction instead of the mains sucking all the gasoline. Let's see if we can find this one. It's gotta be something. Something over here. I don't know if the camera can focus, but it's right there. See that right there? That's a pinhole. There's the camera can focus right there. So that's when we noticed it went back. It will start, the truck will start, but it'll bug out. And the first thing I thought it was the fuel pump. And luckily, we took an educated guess, and it was a fuel pump. Well, we're gonna find out hopefully right now. Start it. I would also like to send a big shout out to Edit Your Ride. Make sure you guys give him a follow. We're dropping this info right here on the bottom. Edit Your Ride. They put editing the C10, and they also edit my son's truck. So I'll be leaving a picture right here so you guys can check it out. Guys, pretty simple, pretty basic steps. Just gotta be careful with the lines. They could be really brittle if the truck's old or whatever. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.